Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. In today's video, we're going to be opening up the Wizarding Trunks Special Edition Potions box. As you can see, the box is filled with potion label designs. I did design the box, and these labels are all the different potions I've ever created for the Wizarding Trunk. If you're not familiar with who the Wizarding Trunk is, they do like a bi-monthly mystery magical world box, and they also do a quarterly one. If you like my design work, I do a whole bunch of designs for the Wizarding Trunk. And speaking of collaborations with the Wizarding Trunk, I have a box coming out that I designed every single thing in. It's called the Archive of Wizardry, and the premise is you've finished your traditional schooling and you're ready to go to a magical university to further your magical education, and that's what this box is. It's a welcome package to a magical university. I'm gonna link it in the description box. Definitely check it out, see if you're interested in it, and let me know what you think. But let's get into this box, and I will talk about some of the designs that I did and things like that if anybody's interested. On top, I think maybe I opened it upside down because that is definitely the cheat sheet that we shouldn't be looking at yet. So I already see a few designs that I did, so let's just take a look at these real quick. I designed these potion labels that you can use to, create your own potions, or you could even put them on your spices in your cabinet if you can remember what they are, or you could write like something else on the lid or something. But you could make your cabinet look like an apothecary. I also designed this tin right here. This is black hellebore. My goal was to make this look like an old rusty vintage tin. We've got our ingredients on the bottom right here, and this is actually full of tea. So you can actually brew this tea if you want to. So it's really cool to have something you can brew in a potions box. The next item, again, is something that I designed. It's the t-shirt. I do wish they didn't put them in plastic. I'm sure that that's just how they get them. So either we're throwing the plastic away or they are. This is the shirt design. Immediately I can feel how soft this is, but the design here says, Bramble and Briars, Apothecary, brewing the most potent potions since 1746. The Wizarding Trunk does have their own kind of little world that they're building with different shops and stuff like that. It's really cool. So Bramble and Briars is one of their apothecaries. But let's go ahead and put this on and see how it feels. So here is the shirt. This is what it looks like on a human body. And I do think that this shirt is very, very, very soft and comfortable, like all of the Wizarding Trunk shirts are. All right, let's finally move on to something else. This I am very excited about. I've been waiting to see how this turned out. I designed the box for it, but the item inside, I'm super excited to see it. So let's check out the box design and then we'll see what's inside. It says new improved formula, and it is the Bone Regen Serum from Gallipot's Apothecary. Magical remedies and healing since 1842. This Gallipot's Apothecary is also another shop that is within the Wizarding Trunk universe. We've got the ingredients right here if you want to read those, but I'm just showing you what the box design is. It's just ingredients on both sides. There it is, Bone Regen Serum. And inside the box, here we go. Basically, it looks a lot like Skelegro, but it's Bone Regen Serum. It would be like, an alternative formula. It's swirly on the inside. There's actual liquid in here. This is so cool. I love this. I like all the skeletal details and stuff. And I don't know if you're going to get that sparkle in there. So much better than just like, a white bottle with nothing inside. And that's one thing that I really like about the Wizarding Trunk, because they go like beyond what they need to do to make things just even cooler than they would have been. All right, next we have this thing. Okay, it's like a stirring spoon. I like the color of it. It almost looks like hematite. It also has like this really cool cauldron on the end. I think that's awesome that they have like a tiny little cauldron there. You could even put like something in there if you wanted to. It's actually hollow. Next up, we have a pin. It's nice. I like the shape of the potion bottle. It's not like a typical one because it's got like this weird shape here. That's really cool. And it has a mandrake inside. So it's probably like, the mandrake serum or whatever it's called. Next up, we have this purple pouch. This actually goes with a set we've been getting. It says B and B, so this is the briar, or bramble and briar right here. And you can see all the little things in the window. But this is gonna go on our pin banner. So these are all the different shops we've been getting for this pin banner from the Wizarding Trunk. Very cool to collect. I usually don't like pins, but this has been really fun to do, to like figure out where they go. And to finish this, we've got a few more, but this one goes right here. Next up, we have this item here. It looks like a tapestry. It comes with these little hangy bits right here, but the tapestry itself is here. This is pretty cool. It looks like a watercolor painting, and there's a couple of wizards making a potion here. All right, next we have a postcard. So it's just a nice little potion artwork right there, and a postcard on the back. And next, this is something that I forgot was in here, and I'm super excited to finally see it in person. This is something that I designed, and it is the Potion Master's Guidebook. Oh man, that really does look really cool. And we've got the spine right here, and there's the back. And if we open it up, you've got a little sticker here you could put your name on if you want, the end papers, and then in here are a whole bunch of transparent sheets to hold our potion pages we've been getting. There's a ton of them we've been getting. I can't wait to put these in there like in order. I'm not gonna do it right now in this video, but I will do it, and we'll do like a flip through. And then when it's completely finished, we'll do another flip through when everything's done. But look at all these pages we have and are going to be getting in the future. This is going to be a full potion book, and it's really cool. I think this is a great idea. The Wizarding Trunk, like I said, they just have good ideas for cool things, and I like it. And there's only a few more things in here. Looks like they are all prints, and a couple of things I designed in there. Some pages. We have a page for the potions book, Bone Regen Serum, right there. We also have Fairy Wings. We have the Draft of Peace, and I did design all those pages. The Wizarding Trunk writes them, and I do the design work. And of course, we have the title page. This will go right in that first page, right there. So now we have our title page in there, and then I can organize all the other pages, including these, into it later. We also have this watercolor of a potions shelf. That is everything in the box. And now I need to pick my top 3 favorite items out of this box. But first, let's take a look at the cheat sheet, just to give credit where credit is due to the artists who helped make this box possible. So the potion making tapestry was by Giza Graphics. The potion shop pin was by JP Misselcrow. The potion bottle pin was also by JP Misselcrow. The potion shelves watercolor was by Giza Graphics. And the most potent potions postcard was by JP Misselcrow. The editor's choice is The Magical Blonde. You can find her on Instagram.com/themagicalblonde. The next bi-monthly theme is Year 1, and then we have an ad for the Archive of Wizardry, which I already talked about at the beginning of the video. This is a box designed and curated and completely developed by me. The Wizarding Trunk is producing it. It's available for pre-order right now, and if you want more info on that, I am linking it in the description box below. And now the top 3 items I will pick, and I'm going to set aside everything that I had a hand in designing, because I am not going to pick anything that I designed as a favorite. So coming in at number 3 is going to be the Bramble and Briar shop pin. I love collecting these shop pins and putting them on that tapestry. You know, once this series is over, we're gonna need a new tapestry to do another collection, because that was really fun. Coming in at number 2 is going to be the stirring spoon. I think this is a great design. I like that cauldron on top. It's just really cool. I'm not going to use it for much, but it's just a cool thing that I'm probably going to display on my potion shelf. And coming in at number 1, you probably already guessed it, it's going to be this Bone Regen Serum. This thing is really cool. It turned out awesome. I just love this, and it's gonna look perfect on anyone's potion shelf. Let me know what your favorite items were out of this box in the comments below. And that is it. If you made it all the way to the end of the video with me, you're a wizard. Give it a thumbs up down below if you did like this video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed for more Harry Potter DIYs, magical unboxings, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.